Alright, today I'm removing this busted up concrete driveway. It's probably 60 to 80 feet long. You can see it's pretty worn out. The customers are going to come back and put in number 8 stone and go all the way over to the fence, and then over here to the deck and along this house, so they'll have a little more parking space. Not too much, but you can kind of get an idea what is going here. So I'll get busting this up. Thanks for watching. concrete out. Unfortunately, there's a weird shadow here, so it's not the greatest video, but you can kind of see all the concrete removed. Shadow right down the center, but got all the concrete. There's a pretty decent base underneath, so I'm gonna spread that out now and wait for the stone to show up.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
Here's the finished product. Concrete's gone. Number 8 stone down. Another job by Schott Services. Thanks for watching.